Once upon a time, in a forest filled with tall trees, there lived two best friend birds named Chirpy and Tweety. They lived in a cozy nest on a branch of a big oak tree. Chirpy was a bright yellow bird with blue feathers on his wings, while Tweety was a beautiful blue bird with yellow feathers on her head. They loved to sing and fly together, exploring the forest and playing hide-and-seek among the leaves. One sunny day, Chirpy and Tweety decided to go on an adventure. They flew over the forest, feeling the warm wind beneath their wings. As they soared, they spotted a sparkling stream running through the woods. "Wow, look, Tweety, a stream!" Chirpy exclaimed. "Let's go explore," Tweety tweeted. They flew down to the stream and began to follow it. Along the way, they saw fish swimming in the water, butterflies fluttering around flowers, and even a family of rabbits hopping along the bank. As they continued their journey, the stream led them to a beautiful meadow filled with colorful flowers. Chirpy and Tweety were amazed by the sight. "Look, Chirpy, a rainbow of flowers," Tweety said. "Let's pick some for our nest," Chirpy suggested. Together, they flew from flower to flower, collecting a bouquet of colorful blooms. As they flew back to their nest, they sang a happy song. "We're Chirpy and Tweety, best friends forevermore. We explore and discover, and sing songs galore." From that day on, Chirpy and Tweety continued to explore the forest, meadow, and stream, always discovering new wonders and singing sweet melodies together.